Hey everybody, today we are going to be making puppy chow, also known as Muddy Buddies. This is a classic sweet treat that my family made all year long. Puppy chow is not for the four-legged friends in your house, it's for everyone from grandpa to the little ones. To begin with, you're going to need 7 to 8 cups of Chex Mix. I chose corn Chex, but you can also use rice Chex for this. You will need a microwavable bowl to make the topping. In this microwavable bowl, I have a cup and a half of semi-sweet chocolate. To that, we will add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, and we'll also add 6 tablespoons of butter. Now let's put all of these ingredients together. This is the butter. It is salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, you can also use a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add the peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter, but you can also use chunky, which will give it a little bit of a different texture. Now, we're going to mix this. It's a little hard to mix at first, so take your time. You can work it very slowly, try and get it all mixed up, because what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the microwave. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and mix it, and continuing doing that until we have a nice chocolatey mixture for our Chex Mix. All right, here's the chocolate. I put this in the microwave 3 times for 30 seconds. It's pretty well mixed. And now we're going to add the vanilla to it. There we go. Let's add the vanilla to the chocolate. It'll give it an extra little kick. I'm gonna add that in there. And then we're going to take this chocolate and we're going to put this chocolate on top of our Chex Mix. Okay, here we go. Chocolate on top of the Chex Mix. And then we begin to mix this slowly so that you do not break the Chex Mix. This will take a little bit of time, but if you go slow, it's worth it because you're going to get all of the Chex Mix covered. And now we are going to add the powdered sugar. You can add it all at once, just like that. That's 2 cups. You might need more because you can never have enough powdered sugar on our Chex Mix, on our Muddy Buddies, on our delicious puppy chow. Mix this slowly. And the residual powder will fall away to the bottom. And here we have the final version of puppy chow. I used almost 3 cups of powdered sugar in this. There are some pieces that are not totally covered. They're a little bit moist. I like those pieces. You can use more powdered sugar if you want. But there you have puppy chow, America's favorite snack.